everyone. Welcome back to Pod English Stories. I'm Maya.
And I'm Leo. Sorry. I'm so sorry I'm late, Maya.
Leo, what happened? You look like you just ran a marathon.
I know. Listen, I got up late this morning, then I got stuck in traffic for like 30 minutes, and the worst part, I didn't get my coffee.
Okay. Calm down. Take a breath. But Leo, do you realize what you just did?
What, I just told you about my terrible morning?
Yes, but you also just used the word get 3 times in one sentence, and each time it had a completely different meaning.
Wait, what? I did?
Yes, you said got up, got stuck, and didn't get my coffee. 3 different meanings.
Oh man, Maya, to be honest, the word get really confuses me. It's everywhere. Every time I listen to native speakers, they use get for everything. It's like a chameleon word that changes meaning depending on the situation.
That's actually a perfect way to describe it. And you know what? I bet a lot of our listeners feel exactly the same way.
Right? Like in textbooks, we learn buy, arrive, become, receive, but then native speakers just say get for all of them.
So if you're watching this and thinking, yes, get confuses me too, then you're in the right place. Today, we're going to master the most flexible, most useful word in the English language.
And by the end of this episode, you will finally get it. See what I did there?
Perfect. But before we dive in, if you want to get better at English, and yes, I'm using get on purpose, please hit that subscribe button and give this video a like.
Yeah, seriously, help us out. We're trying to get to 100,000 subscribers, and we need your support.
Thank you. All right, Leah, let's break down this mysterious word. Are you ready?
I'm ready. Teach me everything.
Okay. So get has many meanings, but today we're going to focus on the 3 most important ones that native speakers use every single day.
Just 3? It feels like there are a million.
I know it feels that way, but trust me, once you understand these 3 core meanings, everything else will make sense. Let's start with meaning number 1.
I'm listening.
Meaning number 1, get equals to become. It's all about change of state.
Change of state. What does that mean exactly?
Okay, think about your feelings or your physical condition. When something changes, native speakers almost never say, I become. Instead, we say, I get.
Can you give me a real example?
Sure. Right now, how do you feel? What's your current state?
Well, I'm hungry. Really hungry. I didn't eat breakfast because I woke up late.
Perfect. So right now, you are hungry. That's your current state, right? But tell me, did you wake up feeling hungry?
No, actually. When I first woke up, I felt fine. But then as time passed and I rushed around getting ready, I started feeling hungry.
Exactly. So you didn't just suddenly become hungry, you gradually got hungry. That's the change.
Oh, so get describes the process of changing from one state to another.
Yes, exactly. It's about the transition. Let me give you more examples. When you work all day long, you don't become tired, you
get tired.
Perfect. And in the morning, before you go to work or school, you need to prepare yourself. You don't become ready, you
get ready.
Yes. And when you put on your clothes in the morning, you don't become dressed, you
get dressed. Wow, this is actually everywhere.
Right? It's so natural. This is how native speakers talk all the time. We use get for these changes constantly, probably without even thinking about it.
Okay, let me try making my own sentence. When I watch a sad movie, I get sad.
Perfect. Absolutely perfect.
And when I watch a comedy show, I get happy. Or when I drink coffee, I get energized.
Yes, you're totally getting it now. And what about the weather? When winter comes, what happens?
The weather gets cold.
Exactly. And in summer?
It gets hot.
And when you study something difficult and you don't understand it, you might
get confused, which is exactly how I felt about get before this conversation.
See, you're using it naturally now. And here's another one. When it's late at night and you need to sleep, you
get sleepy.
Are you getting sleepy right now, Leo?
No, I'm just tired because I woke up late. See, I used it again.
You did. You're on fire.
This is actually kind of mind-blowing. I've been hearing these phrases my whole life, but I never realized they all follow the same pattern.
That's the beauty of understanding patterns in English. Once you see the pattern, you can create unlimited sentences.
So basically, anytime I want to talk about a change in my feelings, my condition, or even the weather, I can use get instead of become.
Exactly. And it sounds much more natural and conversational. Become is correct, but it's very formal.
Yeah, nobody wants to sound like a textbook.
Right. We want to sound like real people having real conversations.
Okay, I think I got this one. What's meaning number 2?
All right. Meaning number 2, get equals to arrive. This is about movement and reaching a destination.
But wait, we already have the word arrive in English. Why do we need to use get?
That's a great question. Yes, arrive exists and it's grammatically correct, but here's the thing. It sounds very formal, almost stiff.
Stiff? What do you mean?
Okay, imagine you're texting your friend. Would you say, I will arrive at your house at 7 p.m. or I'll get to your house at 7?
Oh, definitely the second one. I'll get to your house at 7 sounds way more natural.
Exactly. In everyday conversation, native speakers almost always use get instead of arrive. It's more casual and friendly.
Okay, give me more examples.
Sure, let me ask you. What time do you usually get home after work?
I usually get home around 6 p.m. Sometimes 6:30 if the traffic is bad.
Perfect! You just used it naturally. You said get home, not arrive home.
Oh, wow. I didn't even think about it.
Now, let me ask you another question. How do you get here to the studio?
Wait, how do I get here? What does that mean exactly?
It means, what's your method of transportation? How do you travel here?
Oh, I get here by subway. I take the red line.
Perfect. How do you get somewhere is such a common question in English. It's asking about your transportation method.
So I can say I get to work by bus, I get to school by bike, I get to the gym by walking.
Almost perfect. Just one tiny thing. When you talk about home, you don't need the word to.
What? What do you mean?
We say get to work, get to school, get to the gym, but we just say get home, no to.
So it's get home, not get to home.
Exactly. Home is special. It's an exception. We say, what time did you get home last night? I can't wait to get home.
Get home, get home, get home. Okay, I need to remember that.
Don't worry. With practice, it'll become automatic. And actually, do you remember our daily routine video?
Oh yeah, with Laura, the teacher.
Yes, she said it takes me 20 minutes to get there. She didn't say to arrive there. She said to get there.
Right, I remember that now. So native speakers really do prefer get over arrive.
Absolutely. It's much more common in daily speech. Arrive sounds formal, like you're writing a business email or a formal letter.
So if I want to sound like a robot, I'll say I will arrive. But if I want to sound like a normal human, I'll say I'll get there.
Exactly. You got it.
And you just said you got it again. That's another use of get, right?
Yes, you got it means you understand. It's another meaning of get. We'll talk more about that later.
This word really is everywhere.
It really is. Okay, are you ready for meaning number 3?
Yes, let's keep going.
All right, meaning number 3. Get equals to buy or to receive. This is super important for daily life.
Buy or receive? Those seem like different things, though.
They are different, but native speakers use get for both situations. Let me show you. Do you remember our ordering coffee video?
Of course, that was a fun episode.
Okay, let's do a quick role play. I'm going to be the customer at a coffee shop. Ready?
Sure.
Hi, can I get a large latte, please?
Oh, you said can I get a large latte, not can I buy or can I have?
Exactly. Can I get is the most natural, common way to order something at a restaurant, coffee shop, or store.
So I can say, can I get a sandwich? Can I get a water? Can I get the check?
Perfect. All of those are natural and correct. Native speakers say this constantly.
But what about receive? How does get mean receive?
Great question. Think about gifts. When someone gives you a present, do you say, I received a gift or I got a gift?
I would probably say I got a gift. It sounds more natural.
Exactly. Received is correct, but it's formal. In conversation, we say get.
Oh, so when I said earlier I didn't get my coffee, I meant I didn't buy my coffee.
Yes, exactly. You're connecting all the dots now.
So I can say I got a message from my friend, I got an email from my boss, I got a package in the mail.
Perfect. All of those use get to mean receive. Let me ask you, did you get any gifts for your birthday this year?
Yes, I got a watch from my parents and I got a book from my best friend.
Excellent. You used get perfectly to mean receive.
This is so useful. I can use get when I'm shopping, when I'm receiving gifts, when I'm getting messages.
And when you're at a restaurant, can I get the menu? Can I get some more water? Can I get the bill?
It really is the superverb.
And we're not even done yet.
Are we not? There's more?
Oh, yes. We need to talk about phrasal verbs with get.
Oh no, phrasal verbs. Those are so confusing.
I know. But don't worry. We're just going to focus on the most common ones. And actually, we made a whole video about phrasal verbs before, remember?
Yeah, but I still get confused sometimes.
Well, let's do a quick quiz. I'll test you on the most important get phrasal verbs.
Okay, quiz me, but be nice.
I'm always nice. All right, question number 1, transportation. Leo, imagine you need to enter a bus. What's the phrasal verb?
Get in?
Ooh, close, but not quite. Here's the rule. For big vehicles, like a bus, a train, or a plane, we say get on.
Get on, not get in?
Exactly. You get on a bus, you get on a train, you get on a plane. Think about it. These are big vehicles where you can stand up and walk around.
Oh, so it's about the size of the vehicle.
Kind of. Big vehicles use on, small vehicles use in.
So when do I use get in?
Get in is for small vehicles like a car or a taxi. You get in a car, you get in a taxi. These are smaller spaces where you sit down immediately.
So I get on the bus to work, but I get in my friend's car when he drives me.
Perfect. You got it.
There's that phrase again.
Okay, question number 2, relationships. When you have a good friendship with someone, when you're friendly and you don't fight, what do you say?
We get along?
Yes, we get along. Or more specifically, we get along with each other.
So I can say I get along with my coworkers. Do you get along with your roommate?
Exactly. It's a really common phrase for talking about relationships.
And what if you don't have a good relationship?
Good question. You can say, we don't get along, or I don't get along with my neighbor. It's the same phrase, just negative.
That makes sense.
All right, final question. Morning routines. Leo, when you leave your bed in the morning, what's the phrasal verb?
Oh, I definitely know this one. I get up.
Perfect. Yes, you get up in the morning.
But wait, isn't there also wake up? What's the difference?
Excellent question. Wake up and get up are slightly different. You wake up when you stop sleeping and open your eyes, but you get up when you actually leave the bed and stand up.
Oh, so I can wake up at 7 a.m., but stay in bed checking my phone and not actually get up until 7:30.
Exactly. That's the difference. You wake up first, then you get up later. And honestly, that's what most people do.
Yeah, that's definitely what I do every morning.
Me too. It's so hard to get up sometimes.
Okay, everyone, I have a question for you. Are you learning a lot from this episode? Because I definitely am. If you're enjoying this, please hit that like button.
Yes, and leave a comment below. We love reading your comments and answering your questions.
And if you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? We post new English lessons every week.
Thank you so much for your support. It really means a lot to us.
Okay, Maya, let me see if I can put everything together. Let me tell a story using get in all these different ways.
Ooh, I love this. Go ahead, show me what you learned.
All right, so this morning I got up late. That means I left my bed late.
Good start.
Then I got ready quickly. I changed from not ready to ready.
Perfect.
Then I got dressed in just 5 minutes. I put on my clothes super fast.
Keep going.
Then I got on the bus. I entered the big vehicle.
Yes.
Then, unfortunately, I got stuck in traffic, so I didn't get to work on time. I didn't arrive on time.
Excellent.
And because I was rushing, I didn't get my coffee. I didn't buy my coffee. So now I'm getting tired, I'm becoming tired, and I'm getting hungry too.
Leo, that was absolutely perfect. You used get in so many different ways, and every single one was correct.
Really? I did it?
You totally did it. You used get for waking up, for becoming ready, for entering transportation, for arriving, for buying, and for changing states.
Wow, I actually understand it now. It's like everything just clicked.
See, everyone? This is what happens when you understand the patterns. English becomes so much easier and more natural.
Maya, I have to say, get really is the superverb. It does absolutely everything.
It really is. Think about it. You can get up in the morning, get ready for your day, get on the bus, get to work, get a coffee, get tired during the day, and get home in the evening.
It's literally an entire day described with just one verb.
Exactly. That's why it's so important to master this word. It'll make your English sound so much more natural.
Okay, now it's your turn. We really want to hear from you.
Yes, tell us in the comments, what time do you usually get up in the morning?
And how do you get to work or school? Do you get on a bus, get in a car, walk, ride a bike?
Use the word get in your comment. Practice what you learned today. We read every single comment.
And here's a fun challenge. Try to use get 3 times in one sentence, like I did at the very beginning of this episode.
Ooh, that's a great challenge. Let's see who can do it. The most creative sentence wins
Wins what?
our respect and admiration.
Hey, that's valuable.
Seriously, though, we love seeing you practice your English in the comments. It makes us so happy.
And if this video helped you understand get better, please share it with your friends who are learning English too.
Yes, help us spread the word. We want to help as many English learners as possible.
Honestly, if you finally understood get after watching this episode, that makes all our hard work worth it.
That's exactly why we make these videos, to help you speak English naturally and confidently, like a native speaker.
So, Maya, final question. Did I get the lesson?
You definitely got it, Leo. I'm so proud of you.
And I really hope you got it too. Remember, get is your friend, not your enemy.
Just remember the 3 main meanings. Get equals become, get equals arrive, and get equals buy or receive. Master those and you'll sound like a native speaker.
And don't forget the phrasal verbs, get up, get on, get in, get along.
Thank you so much for watching Pod English Stories, everyone. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment.
See you in the next episode. Keep practicing and remember, you're getting better every single day.
Bye, everyone. Happy learning.
Bye.